The streets of Miami are so empty. Believe it or not, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So ideally, I woke up this early morning. It's not early from other part of the world, but just to go and buy myself this vacuum bag, because I've bought a lot of stuff and my bag is kind of small and I definitely need to squeeze them in. So the best way to do it is find a Target market, and that's exactly where I'm headed at. See? No people. Okay, at least someone is working, yeah? Cleaning up the streets. There is an apartment for rent right behind these palm trees. Is it worth to take a look? In my next life. All right, I got what I was looking for, the Target. So let's go in. So I did not find my vacuum bag that I was looking for. However, I bought some food. Look what I found, guys. I'm gonna come here tomorrow. Hello guys, how are you doing today? Greetings from Miami. This beautiful morning I am headed to the Bayside Marketplace. So yesterday I bought something nice, but coming back to my hotel it was not fitting me properly, so I have to go back, return it, exchange it for something else, then see what the day has got to offer. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Come along with me. Once again, making my way to the Lincoln Road Mall. Let's see. Okay, this caught my attention. The Albasha Grills. The next to it is the Madonna Club. Hey guys, I'm officially in the Lincoln Road Mall. It's an open air mall, and I'm honestly hoping that I'm gonna get something nice. But meanwhile, check it out, your girl is in Miami. Good Lord, as I said, I can't stop smiling because this is a dream come true. I'm sure it is for many. Tell me if it's not for you, man. Welcome to the Lincoln Road Mall. It's an outdoor mall, as you guys can see. The sun is sunning, it's scorching actually. All I could see is tourists enjoying the time here. As you can all see, everyone is in Miami enjoying the vibe, you know, enjoying the ambience. And you know what, guys, while I was traveling here during my flight, I mean, it was 15 hours, I had a lot of time to do a lot of things. I watched the Bad Boys 3 movie. Man, I just love this movie. I mean, Martin Lawrence is always hilarious as hell. Same as Will Smith. So, you know, I was just preparing myself to know what to expect in Miami, you know, the vibe, you know, everything about it. And here I am. It is a dream come true, guys. Today I came from Pandora. I got myself something nice. Woohoo! It's part of the charms here. Amazing. So let's keep exploring. Those cute little ducks there. Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, lovely day. Remember guys, you do not need to break a bank in order for you to come to Miami. Miami has everything for every walks of life. You know, if you're a budget traveler, if you're a mid-high end person, or if you are, going all the way in, it's a home to every single person. I can guarantee you this. You can go anywhere you want, either by bus. Actually, the bus system here in Miami is magical. I didn't expect that. And there's Uber, of course. You can walk around if you wish, if you love walking. So it's everything that you can think of, you can find it here. I've been seeing this little robot roaming around from, the day I arrived, but I just don't know what it is actually. Is it a surveillance device? I don't know. Please tell me in the comment section if you guys know about it. Española. You can certainly not be in Miami and not visit the Española Way. Man, this is a historic pedestrian-only street in the heart of South Beach, Miami, Florida. Actually, it's known for its Spanish-inspired architecture, lively atmosphere as you can see, and it's a popular spot for restaurants, shopping and entertainment, offering a unique blend of European charm, and the South Florida flair. Actually, yeah, every tourist must visit this place for sure. And of course, I gotta get myself some ice cream. Woohoo! I think I'm done for the day because I'm tired. I didn't wear the most comfortable shoes and I've been walking. Literally, I've completed my 10K steps. I'm exhausted. So allow me to wrap it up here. But thank you all for staying tuned. See you again tomorrow, next vlog. Adios. Remember to subscribe.